The Bureau of Immigration is making sure that individuals charged criminally for the misuse of public funds will not be able to leave the country. Noel Perfecto with the added details.
Immigration's Chief Commissioner Sigfrid Bison personally saw to it that their monitoring system and the Bureau is quick enough to implement the lookout bulletin order he issued to stop all 24 suspects believed to be involved in the anomalous use of 900 million pesos Malampaya funds, which scam brains Janet Lim Napoles successfully got away with. This after Justice Secretary Laila de Lima informed Commissioner Mizon about the filing of criminal complaints against respondents Gloria Macapagal Arroyo et al. By the NBI, Attorney Levy Baligod, and the Office of the Ombudsman about the misuse of 900 million pesos from the Malampaya funds and the possibility of Macapagal et al. Who might try to escape and evade prosecution. Maria Pedro, spokesperson of the BID, says that among those being prevented in leaving the country without the proper documentation and travel authority from Secretary de Lima are former Executive Secretary Eduardo Ermita, former DBM Secretary and now Representative Ronaldo Andaya Jr., and former Agrarian Reform Secretary Nasser Pangandaman.
Very much different from a whole departure order. Kasi when you say whole departure order, sir, talagang pipigilan namin silang umalis. Sabi nga ni OIC, pagka lookout bulletin, this can be compared to a stoplight. Pag lookout bulletin, yellow light muna. Department of Justice or NBI, and then we seek clearance, ma'am, pwede po ba namin paalisin itong mga tao? If the Department of Justice says yes, then we give them the green light. If the Department of Justice says no, then we give them the red light.
Clarification lang, it all depends again to the decision of the Secretary of Justice.
That's correct, sir.
Meantime, Operations Acting Chief Jasmine Jamiuddin says that the Bureau has enough and sufficient paraphernalia to identify those being linked to the Malampaya fund scam. She told PTV4 that Commissioner Mison's directive was to implement the lookout bulletin order to the letter, and no one will be spared unless given a go signal by the higher authorities.
Once the BI National Operations Center received an immigration lookout bulletin from the Department of Justice, automatically po we send it via email and via facsimile, as well as the electronic copies po of the pictures of those with the pictures in our centralized query support system, sir.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.